3 friends liked a princess. They wanted to marry her. She asked them for a present. "She's lovely. She's gorgeous." Hassan found a mirror. He could see all things in it. Basim found a rug. He could fly on it and see all things. Murad found an apple. It helped people when they did not feel well. They looked in the mirror and saw the princess. She was not well. They flew very fast to her palace on the rug. Murad gave her the apple. She ate it. She got better. Who did the princess marry?
Murad gave me all he had. I am going to marry Murad.
What did Hassan find? A mirror. What could the mirror do? See all things. What did Murad find? A rug. What could the rug do? Fly. What did Murad find? An apple. What could the apple do? Make people get better.
One. How many friends were there in the story?
3.
2. Who did the friends want to marry?
The princess.
3. What did the princess want?
A present.
4. What did the friends see in the mirror?
The princess was not very well.
5. What did the friends do?
Fly to the palace to help the princess.
6. Who did the princess marry? Why?
Murad, he gave her his apple and it was all he had.
One. 2 friends wanted to marry a princess.
Stamp.
2. The princess wanted to give a present to the friends.
Stamp.
3. One friend found a mirror.
Clap.
4. One friend found a clever goat.
Stamp.
5. The friends heard the princess on the TV.
Stamp.
6. The princess married the friend with the apple.
Clap. 2. Read and match. 1. 3 friends liked the princess and wanted to marry her. 2. They looked in the mirror and saw the princess. She was not well. 3. They jumped on the rug and flew to her palace. 4. Your mirror helped me. And you have your mirror. 5. Your rug helped me. And you have your rug. 6. Your apple helped me. But now you don't have the apple. 3. Look at the pictures on page 36 and write sentences to describe them. 1. 3 friends liked the princess and wanted to marry her. 2. They looked in the mirror and saw the princess. She was not well. 3. They jumped on the rug and flew to her palace. 4. Your mirror helped me and you have your mirror. 5. Your rug helped me and you have your rug. 4. Look and complete the sentences. 1. 3 friends liked the princess. She asked for a present. 2. Hassan found a mirror. 3. Basim found a rug. 4. Murad found an apple. 5. The princess got better. 6. The princess married Murad. 1. Look at the pictures and complete the sentences. By. For. All. Wedding. About. 1. All the family went to the wedding. 2. The family went to Scotland by car. Dad drove for 6 hours. 3. Mum told us a story about a princess and 3 friends. 3. Read and circle the correct words. 1. All the family went to the wedding. 2. They were not in the car for 8 hours. 3. The dad didn't want to drive for 6 hours again. 4. Read aloud. Look at page 36. There were 3 friends. They all wanted to marry a princess. The first friend was Hassan. He looked and found a mirror. The second friend was Basim. He looked and found a clever rug. The third friend was Murad. He looked and found an apple. It was the cleverest present. One day they all looked in the mirror and they saw the princess was not feeling well. They jumped on the rug and flew to her palace. Murad gave her his apple. She ate it. She got better. The princess married Murad. Why was the mirror good? The friends could see the princess was not feeling well. Why was the rug better? The friends could fly and help the princess. Why was the apple best? The princess wanted to marry him. The sentences. 1. The friends looked in the mirror. 2. They jumped on the rug. 3. The princess ate the apple. 4. Murad and the princess got married.
Track 33. Hey boys, could you help me please? I'm putting some carrots and potatoes here.
Yes, Dad. How can we help? Did you put in some fruit plants too?
Yes, Ben. We put the fruit plants over there last month.
Oh, I thought we helped you put them in. Wow, they are tall now.
Yes, they are. We can pick the fruit in 2 years.
2 years? Here's some lemonade. Now, you started to tell me about Rania. How did she break her arm?
Oh, yes. I told you Rania jumped on her bed last night and broke her arm.
Oh, no. What did you do?
We took her to the hospital. It was very busy. We were there for 4 hours.
Well, that was a long time. Do you need some more lemonade?
Yes, please.
Now, tell me how you broke your arm.
Omar laughed at me. He made me angry, and I went to my bedroom. I had nothing to do. I started jumping on my bed, and then I broke my arm.
Wow! Did it hurt?
Of course! Oh, twin brothers!
Listen and answer.
1. Who's talking?
Ben's dad, father, Ben, Omar, Ronnie and Amy's mother, Ronnie and Amy.
2. When did the boys help to put in the fruit plants?
Last month.
3. When can they pick the fruit?
In about 2 years.
4. What did the mothers drink?
Lemonade.
5. How many hours did the family stay at the hospital?
4 hours.
6. Why was Rania angry with Omar?
He laughed at her.
7. How did Rania break her arm?
She jumped on her bed and broke her arm. 3. Read and complete the sentences. Out. Some. Those. These are the vegetables. Those are the fruit plants. Omar, come out of the pool now. Would you like some lemonade?